Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are being productive. In case you see my face for the very first time, I am Susanita Efe. Today's video, I will be showing you guys how I was able to achieve this look. And if today's your first time passing by my channel and you think you like my content, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. I promise you, you will be glad you did. You won't be disappointed at all. Like always, leave a comment, you guys. Let me know what you think about this look. That being said, let's get into the tutorial proper. So to save time, I decided to do my eyebrows off camera. We are going to continue with the rest part of the eyes. First, I'm going in with the MAC Studio concealer just as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm going in with this green color from the Boson palette. You guys, as you can see, this green is not so dark. But as we continue with the look, I'm going to try to darken it or deepen it a little bit more. So I'm using another color from the Creative Me palette. I'm actually going to be adding a purple color to see if it's going to be darker, or that's what I'm trying to do now, you guys. I'm just adding a purple color to it. And as you can see, the transition, it's obvious. It's getting darker slowly. Yeah, that's the purple color I'm using. So you guys, you can see it's slowly getting darker. I'm using a blending and dabbing motion, like I'm tapping it as well as blending. That's what I'm doing because I really don't want my eyeshadow to crack in any form. Now I'm going to use the powder right there to just blend, to remove the harshness between the eyeshadow and my eyebrow. Just look at what I'm doing. I'm sure you're going to get it. Just around my brow bone area, I'm just blending it properly to make sure it's a good transition between the eyeshadow and my brow bone. That's what I'm doing right now. After blending, I realized that I kind of washed away, or I kind of blended some of the green eyeshadow, so I'm adding more green. I'm just adding more green eyeshadow to my eyelid. Basically, that's what I'm doing, just adding more green eyeshadow to darken it even more. So now I'm using my NYX Pigment Primer to add the second color just in the middle of my eyelid, just in the middle. I don't want it to be all over my crease. So now I'm going to line my eyes with the Million Pauline eyeliner. You guys, this eyeliner is a good one. I think I got it from Nigeria, and since I bought it, you guys, it's been serving me very well. I really like it. I hope to get another one soon. Now I am going to be adding some of the green eyeshadow underneath my eyes. Now around my tear dot, I'm just adding a lighter green. This green is, like, as you can see, it's some shade lighter than the previous green that I used. Now I'm going to line my eyes. Lining my eyes, you guys, it's work. Like you literally have to take your time to line your eyes, because if you want your eyeliner to like come out like wing, I mean, if you want to line your eyes and you want it to come out like a wing, you really have to take your time. So I'm just lining my eyes right now before I fix my lashes. Just to save time, I fixed my eyelashes off cam, you guys. Yes. Well, now I'm going to be using the Algo Active Miracle Serum. You guys, everything I use in this video, I'm going to list them down in the description, so don't worry in case I'm talking too fast or I forget to mention the product. You can check the description down below. Next, I'm going in with the Catrice fine, it's just a Catrice Primer, you guys. This is one of my favorites and it's one of my OG. I've been using it for a long time and I will continue to use this primer. I really love it and it's quite cheap. Now it's time for color correcting. To color correct my face, I just used the Elegant Pro Concealer and I'm applying the Black Opal Stick Foundation. Next, I'm using the Maybelline foundation. If you are someone that you don't you're someone you don't have any dark spot or sunburn, you're lucky. You just have to apply your foundation and you're good to go. But people like us with problematic skin, we have to color correct to make sure everything comes out properly. I'm using my beauty blender to go all over my face again just to even out everything. This process is one that I don't miss. I don't miss it at all. Or should I say this procedure, anyhow you want to put it. I'm not highlighting my face with the MAC concealer, the one I used initially. Blending is really not my favorite thing, you guys, but you know, we need to blend. When it comes to makeup, blending is key. If you don't blend properly, you're going to go out looking like a masquerade. Right now, I'm just applying a lighter green eyeshadow on my tear dot. I'm setting my face, you guys. The powder palette that I'm using is the Zickel powder palette. That's what I'm using to contour my face. Next, I'm going in with the Benign Banana Setting Powder to highlight my face. The reason I'm blending the first setting powder out is because I don't want my under eye to look cakey. I just want it to be smooth and even. Now I'm applying the second layer of setting powder because I really want my under eye to come out clean and neat. Now you can see my face is looking very white. I'm just going to even that out with a normal powder palette. That's what I'm a normal powder palette. What was that? I'm just adding a normal powder to blend. Like you guys, I'm just blending everything out with a darker powder just to glow up a little bit. I am highlighting now. This is my favorite. You see how I am smiling? This is my favorite part when it comes to makeup, highlighting. Give yourself a little bit of glow and shine. It was a little bit too much, so I'm just trying to remove some. Second time setting. You guys, I can't really remember the name of this lip liner, but I'm going to put it down in the description, I promise you guys. So I'm taking my time to line my lips. The lipstick I am using is the PS lipstick. I really love this red color, as the Nigerians will call it pepper red. It looks very hot and spicy. Like Germans will say scharf. It's hot. This is the final look, and oh wow, you guys, take a look at your girl. Look at me. I really love this look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, you are a darling. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Well, we've come to the end of today's video. I love you guys. Make sure you love yourself. Until next time, bye guys.